Okay, so in the previous example we referenced a Perl file, so I'm going to load that Perl file in. So we do that when we bring up the OVO Composer GUI. I'm just going to open the correlator that I previously worked with. Okay, and then what I need to do to tell it which Perl file I want the composer circuits to work with, we go to go to correlators, correlations, select the Perl file, and type the name of the file that I want it to work with. So in this case it's myperl.pl. This file has to be in that directory that we put it in the previous step. Click OK, File, Save, and then Exit. Okay, so to verify which Perl file it's using, we can use the ECS manager commands. We type ECS mgr -info -instance, and we say 11 if it's on the, so I'll just type that on the whiteboard. So the command to test, we type ECS mgr -info -instance, 11 if it's on the management server, and 12 if it's on the agent. So instance 11, click return, and here we can see that this gives me the status of the correlator or ECS engine, and what I'm looking for down at the bottom is the name of the Perl file that we've loaded in. And we can see that it's referenced our Perl file, myperl.pl. We're looking good. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to run some test messages just to see. So I'm going to go into the message browser. I'm just going to acknowledge everything that's there. Okay, and then to run a test message, so the message I'm going to run, I'm going to send a message in. Just find it in my history. Okay, let me type them in the whiteboard again so we can see them. So the message I want to type in, I'm going to type an OPC message. And we said the application field has to equal Oracle, so I'm going to put in the Oracle 1. O equals, and it has to match the pattern test. MSG underscore text equals test. Sev equals critical. And the second message I'm going to send is A equals, again I'll just say, I'll make sure it matches the pattern Oracle 1, but this time the object field is going to be T. MSG underscore text equals test 2. And then sev equals critical. Now what I'm expecting in the browser is that I will receive this message, but not that one. So let's give it a spin. Okay, so OPC MSG, A equals Oracle 1, O equals test, MSG underscore text equals test, sev equals critical. Send the second message in, which I want again the same application field, but this time I'm going to make sure the object field doesn't match the condition in the Perl file. And there we go. So we've got the message that didn't match and the message that did.